What kind of mindset more than the skill set that you're looking for?
We are always looking for people who are curious in mind. In the AI space, the one thing that I have realized is that what is relevant today, probably 2 months later, it will be called as a. So, ability to learn very fast is like a basic skill. People who are young, energetic, and willing to go the extra mile to learn AI and related technologies and evolve with the evolving ecosystem of AI. Yes, specific skills and technologies are a must to get hired, but more important is the softer side of things.
Good day and welcome, everyone. My name is Irfan. I serve as the CEO of VDOT Digital, and it's great to have you with us today. I'm really excited about this conversation because we are with my associate here, Amit Jain, who is the VP for AI and data. Let's talk a little bit about, you're doing a lot of hiring now, right? I heard that you have a huge backlog of projects, both internal as well as customer engagements that we are solving for. What kind of skill sets are you looking for, and what kind of mindset more than the skill set that you're looking for when you're hiring?
Right. Definitely. I mean, we are always looking for people who are curious in mind and are also fast learners. Because in the AI space, the one thing that I have realized is that what is relevant today, probably 2 months later, it will be called as an obsolete approach or obsolete technology or obsolete architecture. So, ability to learn very fast is like a basic skill, as opposed to, okay, let's say I know Python, or I know LangChain or LangGraph or Pinecone database. None of that matters as much as the ability to being able to learn fast. So when I hire people at various experience levels, this is one thing which I always make sure that they possess the curiosity, innate curiosity, and second is they being a fast learner.
Okay. All right. In terms of hiring for our engagements, we already have over 100 AI engineers working with us on various different engagements, and we are continuously looking for great talent, right? And if I'm not mistaken, you are looking to hire another 100 or so within the next quarter, right? Why should people come and join VDOT Digital, and more specifically, what is that exciting for them? We are hiring professionals with AI engineers, some of them who are straight out of college, those who have background in some level of Python programming and good analytical skills and so on and so forth. We are also hiring individuals with 1 to 2 years of experience, right? And at the same time, we are also hiring individuals with 2 or more 3 or more years of experience, right? What is in it for them to come join us? What can they expect as a career progression, or what challenges are advanced technologies and challenges would they get to work with? Can you put some thought into that? And
Sure. Yeah. Significant part of my day goes into hiring the right talent, and that is the key to be on the cutting edge of technology, whether it is AI or if we go back in time, web services or microservices or whatever. So whenever we want to operate at the cutting edge of technology, we need to seriously consider whom to hire and with the right set of skills. When I say skills, we definitely want the technology skills, but more importantly, the the skill, or not the skill, but the ability or interest to learn new technologies, to be able to get hands dirty and spend days and days trying to learn or some complex piece of technology which is still evolving. So in field of AI, whatever we learn today is going to be obsolete tomorrow, and it's happening very fast. So a constant learner, someone who is very interested as his natural instinct to learn, is the kind of people we are actively looking for, irrespective of the experience level. So as you correctly said that we are hiring college grads, so we have some interns working in our AI labs, and there are people with a couple of years of experience, 5 to 10 years experience. Even I interviewed recently one guy with 20 years of experience. So wide range of spectrum, we are looking to hire people with a lot of experience, and also people who are young, energetic, and willing to go the extra mile to learn AI and related technologies and evolve with the evolving ecosystem of AI. So that is the kind of talent we are looking for. Yes, specific skills and technologies are a must to get hired, but more important is the softer side of things.
So the attitude
Yes,
and a willingness to learn
yes,
and traveling that extra mile to
yes,
get things done,
correct. That's
and
right.
someone who is passionate about solving problems, right, and who is really analytical and a contributor is what you're looking for.
That's right. That's right. To elaborate on it, I mean, I come across a lot of profiles where people call themselves as AI engineers with a few years of experience, and when I speak to them or my hiring team speaks to them, we find that they are actually just doing vibe coding for the past couple of years, and the fundamental strength of a software engineer, they are completely lacking. So we are not looking for pure vibe coders. Vibe coding is something which is like an icing, so that we can make expedited deliveries. But vibe coding is not a substitute for a solid fundamental knowledge of software engineering, data structures, algorithms, machine learning, deep learning. All these should be in place. And then I want them to use vibe coding to get the work done fast. So that's the kind of people we will look for. So we are very selective. We have to be, because the kind of cutting edge work we are doing is something which is very challenging and very rewarding as well.